is in. So get it set up back around. Good. That's perfect. Right. Quick visual, do you mind? We'll take a quick look. The big reveal. Dun dun dun. What's that?
Spiderweb.
Oh no. Oh my god, it's got little.
I know, I saw. I'm not too impressed by that.
I need to find.
Nothing against tennis players, but that's why tennis isn't enough. See, much better. They also bolt this directly to where, isn't this where the handlebars go? No, it's lower. Bam. Easy peasy. So yeah, this handlebars right here?
Yeah, handlebars.
Yeah, so right where the handlebars go connects to the frame to keep the bike upright. Look at all the spider webs.
Yes.
I was just wondering how long it's...
Well, long enough for them to say, you know what, give them free delivery. Whoever buys it,
please,
it for free.
Take it! Long enough that we need an immediate oil change. That's it. I took those ones off.
Right, so far.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah, you got digital. I've seen.
I meant this. I thought the screen was.
Nah.
Wonderful.
I was actually thinking that this is. I've seen these before. These displays. I've seen them on like those Honda, like adventure bikes. Ooh. So far, so good. So, what we've got here is the gear that came with the bike. You've got your handlebar, you've got a little tray there, you've got your battery with some acid, and you've got like the stuff to put the handlebars on, as well as like the clamshells and all that for the handlebar. And it's just a little bit of that gas, and make sure the tyres are all pumped up, and just do some checking, and then hopefully we should get this thing running. My phone rings anytime soon. It's going to be the insurance company, because I've just given them the VIN number and everything, so they should be able to... Oh, speak of the devil. Hello.
Metal bracket right there. There you go, right there, to your left. Bam. There we go, that's way smoother. Alright, left brake, or clutch.
Left, right.
Well, I was thinking brake on this one, and I was like, left brake, right?
Geezer, we are going to teach you how to ride, and you're going to know. And in years to come, you're going to look back on this day and say, did I really say that?
I'm busy filming. I can't think.
Die of embarrassment. You're going to have to make sure that it's all in the right places. It's funny, they call a blinker the winker.
Winker, yeah.
Yeah, bloody winker.
It winks.
Winker. Wait, winker. Yeah, not the best instruction manual there is. That's why we're doing this, and you're just going to learn with us. As simple as that. So what we've got here are two wires which have to be plugged into here.
The brake connected, didn't it? I can see this moving.
Yeah. It's getting stiffer.
You almost got it. There's a little wire in the way.
Right, you'll... Alright, that, I'm not sure what those are. I think they've got something to do with the battery, but we can check. Oh, some wiring loom and something. It doesn't really say much in the instructions. What we're going to do is, this panel has to come off so that we can put the battery in there. And then once we've got the battery in there, we're going to lift the bike off, out, and then get it onto a stand. Yeah, we're not going to be able to take this bike on the road unless we get it insured. We're just going to get the battery put in, and that pops, and it's attached forward. There we go. All right. That then pops off. So basically a bolt here down here, a screw here, and then the rest of it just pop, and then slide forward.
So when you put it in, you get a pump, and then
And the battery goes there, and I'm betting that tray that we just saw earlier on, that tray somehow hooks in the bottom here.
well, I think it goes on the side.
But we need to, now the battery, we need to take those two off so that we can, these two nuts here and here, we need to take them off so that,
Chinese did it good for once. Same bolt.
yeah. Alright, all you need to do now, you want to fill up the battery now?
Yeah.
Do you know how to do this?
No.
Right, okay, I'll explain it to you.
Outside.
No, we don't do this on the inside. No?
I'm gonna do it over here.
Alright. What you want to do is, this top here, you're going to get, this top here goes on there when you're done.
I know.
But-
Again, then you just. Squirt it?
No. If you squeeze it hard enough, it'll fucking squirt.
I'm not. I'm just giving it a little.
Hello? Hello, Lynn at State Farm. How's it going? Oh, awesome. 0. I'm literally still in the crate. We're still just putting it together. Just a liability. It's going to be used as a training bike. It's not going to even hardly be on the roads. It's going to be mostly in car parks teaching people to ride. Yeah. Do you need me to write you to give you a credit card over the phone?
Fuse. Oh. So really just the fuse box.
Has to go through a few things. Alright, so there's that. Sparky. Are there any of these ones on the bikes?
Maybe we have to go up over that. Oh. Here we go. Oh, let's do that again. All right, now do it. Whoa.
Off again, and then it's here again. You know what that is?
Battery?
Fuel pump.
Oh.
The fuel pump has to.
Is that what those other guys didn't wait for?
Yeah, they didn't wait for it, so it took forever. And now, okay. Ready?
Yep.
First ignition.
There it is. There it goes.
Right, so that slots into there. goes back a bit. That goes in there.
We'll keep you on though. I've been holding you for too long. See, I don't like this. It's too much play in that seat. How's that Ortigas scratches? Yeah, this is really flickable compared to Shay's bike. Nice. Kind of a bit normal of a horn. That's all right. Oh, I wish I had my license. Probably could do with some air in the tires.